I'll be honest, guys. I went the wrong pathway on this one right away, but you probably did too. So let me take you for a ride. Let R be the region between the graph of y equals natural log of x, x-axis, and x equals 5. Which of the following gives the area for region R? So I was like, oh, I totally got this. All right, we got this x and y axis. There's our x-axis. There's our curved natural log of x. And then there's our vertical line at x equals 5. And so it looks really simple, right? And we just need to know the a and the 5 so we can find the area between, the area of that region. And it looks like all I need to do is plug in my curve right there, natural log of x. But then I looked at the answers. I was like, oh, shoot, they did not. That was a little tricky thing that they did. This is a integral with respect to x, and all of these are with respect to y. So I got to do a little bit more work. We cannot use, I roll, by the way. We cannot use this natural log of x because that's a function of x. We need to make that into a function of y. So I'm going to get the x alone by doing base e to both sides, and it looks like I get x equals e to the y. So we're going to use e to the y as our curve now because we need to define this function with respect to y, write this integral with respect to y. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the area between 0 and b because now we have to use the y values, not the x values. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to first find the area between the y-axis and the vertical line x equals 5 by taking the integral of 5 with respect to y from 0 to b. I'm not going to take time to find b right now because I don't think I need it. And then I'm going to subtract the area that the curve forms with the y-axis. And so that integral looks like this, 0 to b of e to the y dy. And then that will leave us with the area R, which is what the region R, which is what we're looking for in the first place. Now, I could have written this a different way. I could have said the integral from 0 to b of 5 minus e to the y. It's just subtracting the integrands, and I'm allowed to do that because the integrals are the same. And then when I look over my answers, I found that I have two choices. I have the 0 to 5 or I have the 0 to natural log of 5. So it looks like I do need to find b. In order to find b, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to plug in an x to find out what the value of b is. Good thing I know that x is 5 and the function of x right there. So I just need to plug the 5 into the function of x, and I get natural log of 5. So that means this guy's out, and my answer is C.